Joopin Unisex Polarized Sunglasses Classic Men Retro UV400 Brand Designer Sunglasses, Black, Simple Packaging. Classic design, the square-style sunlight glasses are built with premium resin products and strengthened metal hinges that is sturdy sufficient for very long time utilizing. The square shades are developed for men, women for sporting activities and outside tasks. HD polarized lens, Joopin polarized sunlight glasses minimize glare mirrored off of roads, bodies have water, snow, and also other horizontal surfaces. Recover real color, remove reflected light and scattered light as well as protect eyes perfectly. UV400 protection. Joopin vision lenses are 400 UV rated, meaning it can block 99% 100% of both UVA and UVB radiation. UV400 ranked eyewear are necessary to securing your eyes against long-term UV damages and keeping your eyes healthy and balanced. Package includes sunglasses X1 elegant bag X1 lens towel X1 polarized screening card X1. It is likewise gift packaged all set, making it a terrific yet sensible present suggestion for family and friends. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.